Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we've got something super exciting happening. My mom's birthday is on June 13th, which should be today when you're watching this. So before we go any further, everybody just sound off in the comments a big happy birthday, Mama Kristie, because you guys know she loves you and I know you guys love her, so show her some love right now before we go any further. But today is Saturday the 10th and me and my dad, which, hey dad, say hey.
How are y'all?
We decided to do something super special for her birthday. So as you guys know, my mom loves reading, loves books, and so we decided from that really fun like TikTok trend where everybody like runs in and does like a book hunt in Barnes and Noble, essentially. We're doing that for my mother today. So we're calling it Kristie's Birthday Book Bash. She has no idea, which is why we're outside and I keep looking over to see if she comes to the door to watch us filming. But we are essentially going to take her to Barnes and Noble. She doesn't know that she's going right now. She knows we're going to lunch, but we're going to take her there and we're going to explain all the rules. But I figured I'd kind of let you guys know the lowdown before we tell her so she has time to process it all. But essentially, we're going to take her to Barnes and Noble's and she is going to have 5 minutes and 30 seconds to look around the store, kind of pick and choose, kind of eyeball out what she wants to get. And then she has to go back to the front of the store and she's gonna have, what do we say, 1 minute and 46 seconds to shop. And essentially it is whatever she can grab, whatever she can hold, and we're gonna buy it for her. Now there are rules, of course, because it's no fun with no rules. So she cannot run and she cannot bump into people. Bumping into people means you lose a book. She has to be able to hold all the books in her hands or her arms, however she wants to hold it. If she drops a book, she loses a book. A lot of people said like if you drop them, you don't get any, but that's no fun and no fair, and we're not gonna be that mean. She is not allowed to pre-stage any books. So when she's looking around for that 5 minutes, she can't like stack them up anywhere. Like she truly has to go get them off the shelves, the tables. She can't restart. And she can't return books. And what we mean by that is she can't go in and just grab a whole bunch of random books that she has no desire to read to like buy and return to get other books that she wants. We're probably gonna throw in something where she can trade out some books and maybe even a bonus round. It just kind of depends on how it goes for her. It's just, we're playing it by ear, but we're super excited. She's going to literally, her mind's not gonna be able to handle it. We've been planning this for like a month and a half. Yeah. And so we're super excited. Her mom and dad and my dad's mom and dad are coming to watch and hang out too. And then we're taking her to lunch after. So I'm super excited. I am gonna try and film within Barnes and Noble, which is why this is on my phone today. So I apologize if the quality is different. Because I want to be as inconspicuous as possible, so hopefully like they'll let me film her because I really want to be able to get this on camera for you guys, and then we'll let her do a book haul and all that sort of stuff. So we'll let you see her soon, but we wanted to kind of pop on here first to give you a lowdown of what's going on, and we're waiting for her to come out so we can take her. So I'm so excited. How are you feeling?
I'm excited. I think the funny part's watching her right now, yeah, because she's trying to process and she kept telling me, are you sure I'm gonna like it? What if I don't like it?
She doesn't know she has no clue what we're doing at all. At first she's like, are you getting me another tattoo? And we're like, no.
And then she asked me, was I getting her her ring?
Yes,
about a ring.
She has no idea. So I think she's gonna really like it. And then we've decided, you know, like based on how many books she gets, we'll probably offset the rest with some gift cards if she doesn't get everything that we've kind of set aside for this. So it's gonna be fun. We're playing it by ear. We're excited for you guys to come along and kind of celebrate my mom with us today for her birthday. And so yeah, you guys, ooh, bug. So we're gonna go ahead and stop filming so she doesn't know, but we'll see you real soon.
See you there.
How do you feel after now that you've known all this knowledge?
I like it.
Yep. So we're here, guys. We just went over the rules with her. And of course she had some questions. So now we're like getting ready to go into Barnes and Noble's to do her book bags. Do you think you're going to do well?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
I'm nervous for our wallets then.
What did you think you were going to do?
Go zip lining.
I was like, I don't know where you got that from. And gangs trailing back there to come in. Yep. So we're excited.
I am so excited.
Did we do good?
Yeah, y'all do good.
Well, it'll depend on how many books she gets to how good we did, I guess.
No, I'm just even getting any book that I don't have to pay for.
Okay, guys, we're in the store and she's got 5 minutes, 30 seconds on the clock. And we're up in the front, so hit start and let's go, Kristie.
You can go. Go get it, Kristie.
Let's see. Y'all think she's gonna do good?
Yeah, I think so.
Everybody, we're all quiet.
She has lived here short to know where everything's at.
She knows exactly where she's going.
She's on the hunt now, which is gonna be good for me if she gets a lot, because then I can read them. But we shall see. It's busy in here, so I think it's gonna be difficult for her to move around people. 3 minutes and 47 seconds, Mom. Now they're looking at the box sets.
I've got most of these though.
Don't be fussing. Keep looking.
I'm not fussing, I just wish I would have known.
We found the book talk table. We've got 2 minutes and 28 seconds, Kristie Lynn.
That's how much I have left.
2 minutes,
Shop,
yep,
yeah.
to shop, to look around. The infamous book talk table. She has quite a few of these, I think.
Yeah. See, I already.
She's got 57 seconds, Kristie Lynn. 57, 55. No pressure. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Where do you want to start at?
In the middle.
In the middle. In the middle.
She got lucky. We're giving her more space.
Good right here.
No, Kristie Lynn.
This is where you first.
This is where I started.
All right, so I'm gonna let her start right here where she first looked. Are you ready? Are you ready, Kristie? Are you ready? On
3.
your mark, get set, go.
I feel like she cheated a little bit coming closer. Kristie. She's supposed to start at the front, but let's go. It got awfully quiet, the concentration. And everybody's hovering over this way. They don't think she's gonna get in very many. Uh-oh. There's starting to be things in the books. Where are we at on time? All right, Kristie, 50 seconds left. I knew she was gonna go for the box set.
She bumped into me.
Uh-oh, Granda's trying to play you now.
Oh, I don't like those. I already read those.
30 seconds now. Don't forget, you can't drop them.
I'm not gonna drop.
Oh my God.
I should get this one just to piss y'all off.
No. Is that the special one that you wanted?
Yes.
15 seconds.
Oh, I did want to read.
All right, it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No more.
I think he was bringing it.
That's before you even got the first book. You push that little girl over.
She was pushing people out of the way. Now look, there's rules.
Oh, hell, I didn't even see this side.
Nope.
Are you kidding?
Nope. So sorry. That's all you got. All you got.
All right, ready?
The sweet worker brought her a basket, and I think she got lucky because my dad started helping her at the very, very end to hold them. Yeah, I should have made you carry them to the register.
Okay.
I was going to.
Look here. Is there any book in there that you've read that you already think that you don't want?
All right. Well, we'll allow you if you want to put your basket down and look through your choices.
Not looking at these.
No.
Look through here real quick.
Yeah.
Is there anything in there that we?
I know I don't have that.
Okay.
I know I don't have that.
All right, hold on. What do you want to know?
Okay, I want to know if I put back 4 books,
Mm-hmm.
can I get one that I actually get to look at?
So you're going to return 4 to get 1.
To get one. Actually, yeah.
All right.
I would
Wait.
say
Wait.
two.
What? I feel a 4 is fair for one that you can look at.
Okay.
You think that's okay?
I'll allow it.
You will allow it?
I'll allow it.
Okay. All right. So
You want, Chris? Is that the one that's $300?
no, sir.
I feel like we're getting a little bit scammed,
I think we're getting taken advantage of.
making up
I
rules.
think you're getting ripped.
I don't think so.
But
Actually, I'm saving money if she returns,
if she returns
4
4
and I get
for
1.
one, yeah. So I think
I want you to get ones you want. Though.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm not sure if you got to witness the books dang near falling out of her arms. I don't know if it was recording then when my dad so kindly stepped in and said he would start holding them against the rules. Felt a little bad. Going a little soft. Listen, did I not specifically lay out the rules? That's what I'm saying. Goodness.
Everybody else had some terms and conditions that were the holder of the book.
I don't know. You know, I don't know that I've seen any videos where anybody else got to change the rules.
Yeah, she had terms and conditions to this now.
I think
that's a little
she
sneaky.
played the system.
Yep.
I don't think so because look here. You don't want me You don't want me to spend the money on something that I'm not
You.
reading.
Yeah, it's a game.
I think it's a scam. All right, she's got her whole basket of stuff. How are you feeling? She's counting them.
16 books.
16 books. And so there's her basket full of
Yes.
stuff. We'll have her do a little haul later and show you guys what she got.
It was exciting.
Yeah, you all right?
I was nervous as heck.
All right.
I was like, I picked the first book, didn't even realize what it was. I was like, I just picked it so I could go ahead and get myself worked up to pull them out. Does that make sense? Do you know what I mean?
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, so we're going to go up to the front and pay, and then we will touch base once we're outside the store, because I am trying to be respectful of everybody else. But there's Kristie and all of her books. All right, let's go. So somehow she also managed to finagle an extra book on the way out because someone here is soft. We stopped for a
Bonus
coffee so
book.
she could have one, and then she's seen a book she just had to have, which she'll show you later. But somehow she finagled an extra book. We went back in line, and the same sweet cashier checked us out, and I was like, I don't know how they got played because someone is going weak and just cheating. So we got everything done. We're gonna take her to lunch. I'll show you a little bit of that. But yeah, how do you feel about your book haul?
I'm so excited.
How much was your book haul?
$295 and some change. Actually, no, I'm sorry. No, $230 with the new book.
No. If it's too nice, I'm worth $300 some odd dollars for books.
$330. Yeah.
325 bucks by the time it was over with.
Some for books, yeah. Here we go. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, y'all, we're back at the house, and we're gonna do Chrissy's birthday song. But I just had to put this absolutely horrendous cake on blast. Don't know why he left the store with it looking like that. Because this is bad. I don't know who decided gray writing was gonna be the ticket, and they didn't even put her name on it right. But anyways, it's a bad cake. It's a terrible cake.
It's gonna taste good.
Sam's Club did us dirty. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kristie. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
I'm winning the lottery.
Oh my God, you're not supposed to tell your wish. It'll never come true.
Hey y'all. It's probably about, yes, it's 9:57 on Saturday evening, and so I'm just now getting able to film because we had my mom and dad and my mother-in-law and father-in-law here to have cake. But anyway, so I wanted to come on and show you the books that I got from my book bonanza. It was just so fun. So the first book that I got is from Abby Jimenez, Part of Your World. I had to look up that last name and have it pronounced for me because I didn't know what it was. But anyway, so that's a book that I have not read, and I don't believe I have many of hers. A new to me author, Lucy Gilmore, I Hate You More. This seemed good. Anyway, you know, I picked them all up and just kind of like stacked them. So the 5 minutes that they gave me to kind of look through things, it was just really weird because all I kept thinking in my mind was, oh my God, I've got that one, I've got that one. And then it was like, wait a minute, I need to find a new author, I need to do this, I need to do that. And it was just, whoa, you know. So anyway, this other book, who I don't know anything about, Megan Brandy, called Say You Swear. I believe this was on a book talk table, so I'm excited to read that. Also on the book talk table was Credence by Penelope Douglas. I've definitely seen this on book talk, and so I'm looking forward to reading that. Then also one of the ones I picked up, it was in a box set. So it's Elle Kennedy, and it's the Off Campus series. So it comes with the first 3 books, The Deal, The Mistake, The Score. So it comes with those. And what I was able to do was I was able to finagle. If I gave 4 books back, could I get 1 extra? You know, trade 4 to 1. And so there's 2 more books in this series. So I was able to finagle these 2 books. So it's The Goal and The Legacy. I got Penelope Douglas. I think it's the a fall away novel series, I believe. So this one was, yeah, the Fall Away series. So it's Bully, it's the first one. Until You. Then it's Rival. And then it's Falling Away. And so I'm missing only 1 book, which is the last book in the Falling series. And I'm going to order that online because I actually do have a 15% off discount code. I also forgot to give them my $5 birthday coupon that Barnes & Noble sent me, so I could have saved them $5. So the last one in this in the Fall Away series is A Flame, so I'm going to order that. And what's so funny is these are the new book covers. You know, they've been making book covers where they're the ones that aren't sexy or whatever. So these are the older book covers. And they didn't have the new book covers on these 2. But I'm like, why would you not want to have that on the front of the book? That's just me. Anyway, so there's that. I also got by H.D. Carlton, Does It Hurt? This is by H.D. Carlton, Haunting Adeline. Okay, and then because they were making me nervous, I was like, oh my gosh, I found the E.L. James, the hard special edition with the pretty black coloring on the pages and the little silver bookmark thing. I was like, I saw it up there. I was like, I know that thing's going to be expensive. I said, so they put me through all this. I went ahead and picked it up. Yeah, it was $31.99. And then we went and got a coffee at the Starbucks inside there. And on the way out, I just happened to look to the right. And I saw Sylvia Day's So Close. I have been waiting for this book to come out for a couple of years. It took them this long, 6 years. I've been waiting on this book. So I'm really excited to have this. That's all the books that I got. And we wanted to close out the vlog, I guess. Alyssa's already gone to bed because it's past her bedtime. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Alyssa's channel. I was doing so good. We'll see you in the next one, I guess. Y'all have a good night.